The question says that figure 1.30 shows tracks of three charged particles in a uniform electric field. Give the signs of three charges. Which particle has the highest charge to mass ratio? We are seeing in this diagram that there is a positive charge and there is a negative charge, and the electric field lines flow from positive charge towards negative charge. So the charged particles who are attracted towards the positive charge is going to be negatively charged, that is 1 or 2. They are going to be negatively charged, and the particles that are attracted towards the negative charge is going to be of positive charge. So particle 3 is going to be a positively charged particle. Now the second part of the question was which particle has the highest charge to mass ratio. So we need to understand what charge to mass ratio is and how it affects the movement of charged particles. Now let us assume that there are two charged particles A and B of charges Q and QB, and for now we will assume that they are of equal charge, that is QA equals to QB. Now in an electric field of magnitude E, force on particle A would be QA times E and the force on particle B would be QB times E. Since QA equals to QB, we will see that force on A is equals to force on B. Now we will see the dependence of acceleration. So acceleration is defined as force divided by mass, and we see that acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass, and we also see from Coulomb's law that force is directly proportional to the magnitude of charge. Thus acceleration is also directly proportional to the charge. So if the ratio QIM is higher, the acceleration is going to be higher, and the direct consequence of acceleration is the deviation from the linear path. So those particles that is going to be having highest deviation from the linear path, they are going to have the highest charge to mass ratio. And in this all these three charged particles, we see particle 3 is having greater deviation. So particle 3 is going to have the highest charge to mass ratio among all these three. Thank you.